So good evening all. Welcome to my channel Trade with the Trend. So let's analyze the today's market and also analyze the pre-market for 2022, that is February, on Friday. So today, so what has happened is so there was a good bearish candle over here. I can just see this, and it was quite bearish. And the thing is, it has made a insider value kind of candle. So that insider value of candle it has made. So you can see this, that is the insider candle. Uh, yeah, so sorry for that. So, yeah, so this has made a insider candle here. There's a big bearish movement on today's candle. So if you see the support and resistance of as per now, so there is a good breakout as per from here. There's a good breakout. So this is a good breakout from January 24, 15 January. So if you see this, it is a good breakout here. So this from here to here, it's a but it has retraced from here. So यहाँ पे तो this is what is that done is it is trying to push down. It is trying to push down. So which means that the market is still making a downtrend from here. So which means it wants to push down, but even though there is a good support here, right? So let's see what is the movement now based on the indicators and my overall this thing. So here, looking at the volume profile of the previous things, it has broken out the previous value area over the overall value areas, the top and the down, and it is outside the value area high at present. So coming to the developing volume profile, if you see, it has the point of control has shifted from to 21,900 somewhere here. So this is a point of control which has came, but even though it is outside the value area for the developing volume profile. If you look at the CPI and the candle last, it is inside the H4 and H3 levels. So which means it is in the reversal area, right? So this is the reversal area for the Cambrilla setups, H3 and H4. But even though we have a average kind of CPR for this month, average to narrow CPR, but still it might trend again. Okay, so there is a chance of trending again still. But if it crosses the H4 levels, there is we might find a good momentum towards the uptrend. That is what my gut feeling from here. So let's see what market does. As of now, what we can do is from here, these are the levels which we can take and keep on trades. So which we do the option sellings here. If you see, there is a in a developing volume profile, there is a low volume area in this levels, that is these levels, these two levels, right? These two levels. What are these two levels which we can see? 21,900 to this is 19,900. Yeah, 21,900 is a good like kind of support for this move which has been done. And the next level will be 21,835 from here, and from the upper side it is 21,000, yeah, 21,980 somewhere. This is a good support area which we can say. So we can go with a selling option of put over here. We can sell put P sell option. Sorry, yeah, P sell option. And also, if not, if you want to go still deeper, you can sell this area. 21,800, right? 21,836 somewhere here, 35, 36 somewhere here, and from here, and here it is 21,990. So that we can sell and keep for 990. Sorry. So this is these are two levels we can sell. This is a little higher risk, and this is a very low risk, right? So these are the two levels for Nifty, and let's go in hourly chart so that we can understand much better. The hourly chart of Nifty, if you take yeah, this is the hourly chart. So what it has done is yeah, there's a good movement. Same thing, it has broken out the month's high, which was standing here. It has broken the month's high from February 2nd, which has done from 2021 to 3 2023, which is already broken, and already it has been retracing to 22,025 sorry. So these are the, it has been retraced so deep, right? It came to so deep, and there is a gap over here. You can see the gap. So this is the levels. So this is a gap, so that's why it's holding a good support here, and has broken the month's high, right? So this is the analysis on a 1 hour chart of a Nifty. So let me unhide all these indicators and my drawings, which I have already done. So if you see in the early chart, the weekly CPR stands very wide. It's too wide. So what we can see is for this week, it might go in a sideways. Okay, whereas the monthly CPR is kind of a average to narrow CPR. Yeah, so this is a narrow CPR, you can see. But even though it is pushing up to trend, so even though it has crossed H3 and it is testing the H4 levels, right? So even if it crosses H4 levels and retests from here, it might trend till H5 or somewhere near to H5, 22,740, somewhere here, if at all it retests from here. Okay. So if in hourly chart and a weekly analysis, if you see for this week, what we can do is same thing, because we can see a very means a low volume area here, a low volume node in this area, which is 21,963. This is the area. This is a good support levels which we can see. But even though it has it has broken the 20 moving average and also the H3 levels, and it has retraced, and also from the developing point of volume profile, it has crossed the value area down, the value area low, which means it is heading towards south till L3, that is 21,892. Okay, so it might retrace from here. So if there is a gap down tomorrow, definitely it will be like till L3, right? It will till L3 might be having, we might have a gap down based on the current US and Nifty, GIFT Nifty. So this gap down might be a good chance of buying here, which is this area, which is 21,892. If this area seems to be a good buying opportunity, because it might retrace from here and complete the gap and then go for sideways. So an early chart, even though it might feel this is for this week, it will be a sideways trend, not a good downtrend or uptrend. We might find a choppy market here on a weekly analysis, right? So coming to the Bank Nifty, let's analyze the Bank Nifty. I use futures on the Bank Nifty because there is no volume over here. Let me hide this. So if you see the Bank Nifty also on a daily chart time frame, it is in a uptrend move. Kind of it has taken support of like 44,000, like somewhere 45,000. Sorry, yeah, 45,000 somewhere, and it is taking the uptrend move. It has made a good uptrend move from 13th of Feb. It has made a good uptrend move, and there is a gap over here. So this is a good resistance, which we can say this is a good resistance which we should look at. And And also if you see, the market is still on a uptrend move. So let's unhide my all those drawings. Yeah, so as the previous profile looks, we can't judge on this because there's a complete downtrend move. Okay, the complete downtrend move signifies that this gap and all the low volume nodes are we can't judge on this because the market will move fast or sometime retrace from there. So because when you see the developing developing instrument, yeah, when you see the developing volume profile from the Bank Nifty future chart, there is quite it has crossed the value area high from the developing volume profile, which means it has the volume is not accepting by the chart, and it wants to move up. That is the situation from the current future chart. So whenever it enters the value area of the previous volume profile, which where the 75% of the trade is happened already, sorry, so it will move towards the POC. So where I'm just looking is the uptrend might be till the 48,000 again like 48,000 somewhere. So because see the Tuesday's candle, the daily prime time frame, the Tuesday's candle has made a good bullish movement, but the today's candle has we had a gap up and then retraced. That is only not even a 50% has been been completed, because it is not engulfed. The today's candle is also bearish engulfing, and also it has not engulfed wholly, right? It has not engulfed wholly the previous candle. It is kind of upper move. This is upper move. There is a higher low. Definitely there is a higher low because the market is moving towards the higher lows, which means ki the market wants to make a trend, and also it has crossed the value area high. That is a blue line. This is a blue line which is value area high, right? This is a POC, red one, and the value area low. So it wants to move uptrend, but even though there is a POC here which might test and stay there, it might come inside this H4 and H3 levels, right? So once it moves towards H4 and H3 levels, we might see a sideways movement. But if you see the CPR, it is kind of very narrow here. That we are seeing a very narrow CPR for today's this month. So definitely there would be chances of a breakout from H4. We can't judge it might go to 50,000. No, it's not possible for me, my understanding. Definitely it might turn from somewhere it might make a higher high till somewhere 49,000. Okay, 49,000, and make a sideways for this month. So this is all about the daily time frame for Bank Nifty. So let me check. Let us understand on the part of hourly, that is weekly analysis of the Bank Nifty. So in the weekly analysis, same has it has moved from 14 Feb. It has made a good movement, and also it has broken the month's high. Okay, this is a month's high of this is a monthly high, which has already broken, and it is making a retracement, same as Nifty, which is doing. With Nifty has entered, but Bank Nifty is like making a retrace from here. It still has not made. Still there is a week pending by tomorrow to close the candle of weekly. Yeah, so let's analyze on the part of drawings and my yeah. So if you see this developing CPR of the weekly, we can see a low volume area here, right? So there is a low volume node and a low volume area from, sorry, this is a low volume area, right? So this area is around 46,855. So that is the area. So market might take a bounce back from here and then go back up. But as we have a very wide range of CPR, so as per the analysis, it will make a good sideways movement. So what we can do is from here, yeah, already it is has you see this area, right? Yeah, it has already crossed the value area of the previous week, right? So this is a previous week which has already crossed. So we are seeing a trend up. We are seeing a trend up in the market of Bank Nifty. Yeah, and also it is testing the 20 moving average, which is a good sign that it might, if we see a candle, a good candle, a bullish candle from here, it will trend definitely from here. So this is analysis for the Bank Nifty. This is how, even though you can sell from here, because this area is quite a low volume node for this week. It's already done, because even when it started the day, this week on the Monday, we can see the candle. First candle is opened inside the value area of a previous week, right? So this is the opening of the candle. Sorry, this is the opening of the candle. It is outside the value area. It's outside the value area. 1 minute. I have a doubt. This would be a value area low, and this is value area high. Yeah, this opened outside the value area, came down, tested. Okay, we had a good rejection from here, from the POC level, and the next candle which made was a bullish engulfing candle. So that is a good chance, because once the market has rejected from the point of control, we can sell the lower levels like 46,294. That would somewhere here. So if you would have sold 46,250 or 46,280 out of the money put, we would have been a good profit right here, right? Look at the candles from here. Good higher high, right? Good higher high. So this makes the volume profile, understanding and analyzing the volume profile makes a better trade in terms of long, in terms of swing trade, in terms of daily trade, also intraday also. As of now, I'm not catching the intradays because it will find a very difficult thing to analyze, and if anyone takes a trade on that, because it is very complicated when it comes to intraday. What I can say is we should have other confluences apart from volume profile. So if you see here, the confluence is the 20 moving average, which is uptrend, and the 200 moving, which is sideways. Whenever the moving average is 200 moving average goes in a slant, if it is in a side or it is flat, means the trend is high, and the 20 moving average should be uptrend, and the 200 moving is flat. You will see a good trend, uptrend. If it is 20 moving average is down and 200 is flat, you'll see a good downtrend. So these are the two confluences from here which you can see and analyze and just take a trade, which means definitely it's going to a profitable trade. So these are the two analyses which I have done today, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. So let's also analyze the Fin Nifty also. So that these are the major analysis which we can do. For the Fin Nifty, completely it is here. Yeah, let's first do this. The Fin Nifty also has making a good uptrend move from Feb 24th, 13th Feb, and it has been quite, yes, yeah. And also it has broken the month's high, and this is the retracement. This is the breakout. This is the high actually. Yeah, from here it is making a retracement from here. Yeah. So now if you analyze based on the volume profile on the previous months, there's a good downtrend here, and these are the very low volume area, and market is standing on a low volume nodes on the previous analysis, previous volume profile, right? So this is a low volume node, and market is standing inside the low volume node here, and what we can analyze from here is we might see a good trend movement from here. If it breaks, if it definitely from L3 it is moving up. Whenever it retraces from L3, makes a good bullish movement from L3, it has to touch H3, right? That is the analysis. So if it is going to touch H3, definitely we can go for a put spread, like selling a put somewhere out of the money or at the money from here. For tomorrow we can analyze on this how it moves, whether if Nifty gives a bullish movement or opens in the sideways, definitely it is going to move uptrend. Or if it opens inside the value area, definitely it's going to touch the point of control, right? Point of control, and then let's see the price action from there, point of control, what it does, because the reaction at those points of the candle is most important than just judging what is happening. So this is all about the daily time frame analysis of the Nifty. So let's see the weekly, what has happened. On the weekly analysis, the market is already broken it was opened outside the value area, but inside the area of the volume profile. But thing is, the moment it is opened outside the value area but inside the area, it has moved up and retraced from here. So this is the initial balance which we can see, right, from 19th February to the 20th February. So once it has touched the week's low, okay, overnight low, that is a overnight low area. So what it has done is it has moved a good bullish movement from here to H3. So this is a good bullish movement which understands the market has rejected the whole area of the previous week, whole price of the previous week. So this means it is and also it is in the H3 levels, which means it will be trending a little bit, where we can see some trend which we saw some trend. As the CPR is on a wider side, we might not see much trend. That's why it has touched H4 levels and started moving down. So this is a H3 level breakout, good breakout, which stands. If this breakout stands still by tomorrow, the Friday, we might see a retracement from here and drop again till L3 levels, or it might come and touch till the PCO, point of control of the previous week. So that might also be possible based on this. Okay, so that means it might trend till L3. So even though if you see the 20 moving average, it's in a downtrend, and the 200 moving average in a downtrend, and the 20 moving average in the uptrend levels. But the candle, this candle, the 20th February candle, the 1 hour candle, so this is having good support, right? 20,507 holds a good support in a future chart, not in the spot chart. It is a future chart. So this is a good support area which we can see. It's a good support area, right? So for the Nifty for this week, so if it trends, it might trend till here and then make a good sideways from here. Yes, fine. So fine. So this is all about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the Nifty analysis. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and share the video to your friends and the families who are interested in trading. Thank you very much.